Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel today. This is Enrichi. Appreciate you all for always tuning in. So today what I'm going to be talking about is the British pound, Japanese yen, and my previous video about this about British pound, Japanese yen. I stated that I'm bullish on British pound, Japanese yen, even though the price action has been heading lower for quite some time now, but that does not change my bias on bullishness. Reason is because I'm focusing on the overall direction of the market and not the intraday price action. Because if you're looking at the overall direction in price, you're gonna see that this was a high and this was a low and this was a break of structure, and what I would expect price to do after break of structure is a retracement. As you can see, we retraced into this imbalance, retraced into the fair value gap, and after the retracement you can see the move up in price. Now you could look at this way because there's an imbalance here. You could assume that because of this imbalance, price is going to retrace from here, come down, wipe this place, take this low, but I think that is not what price is going to do. This is my opinion. Please note that nothing I say in this video should be used as an investment advice, only for educational and entertainment purposes. So when I'm looking at this is what I can see right here. You can see this gap here, and I can see that on the 3-month time frame price filled this gap. So this low here that filled it, and then we saw this rally that broke this structure, this low here. I don't want price to go beneath this low right here. If it goes beneath this low right here, then I'm gonna be scaling down to see why price would do that. And if price does that, I'm no longer gonna be bullish on British pound yen. If price comes below to take these lows, I'm not gonna be bullish on British pound yen anymore. I'm just gonna allow price to do whatever it wants to do, and what I'll be expecting is for price to keep going lower and then take these lows. That is if it goes beneath this low right here. Now why do I say that? Basically, this is the reason when I started to scale down, and as you can see, price made. Now this right here was the last time price dipped so much. This was the last dip, and it actually generated this high. This low right here generated this high. So price has every iota of allowance to play around between here and this high. I don't want to see price run through this low because the 3-month imbalance had already been mitigated, and after mitigated it, what did price do? You can see it clear as day. After mitigating it, the 3-month time frame, it broke structure. So it broke structure here. So price coming here to clear out all the liquidity, make sure nobody's going to be in that buy. Now I start to zoom down, and I could see this imbalance. Then I zoom lower again. Now Now I'm seeing this. Now I want to dive a bit deeper. Now once price runs through this place, what I would like to see, this is 1 hour. Now if price mitigates my 1 hour point of interest, what I want to see is a 5 minutes break of structure. I want to see a 5 minutes break of structure. Once price mitigates my POI, I'll be looking for 5 minutes break of structure. And as you can see right here, this is a swing high, swing low, swing high, and then this low. So we can call this our high and our low. And if price should take this high, I'm gonna be bullish that there's been a structural shift in price for GG, which could ignite it to see a big rally. So please note that nothing I say in this video is investment advice. It's just my opinion, and you shouldn't make investments off my opinion. You should always do your own research. So you can see the break of structure. We'll go back to 1 hour to look for fair value gap for an entry, and then here is our fair value gaps here and here. Now once price comes into this point of interest, what do? I still scale back again. I want to see, what do I want to see? A 5 minutes break of structure. This is a 5 minutes break of structure. And what do I do with that information? Once I see a 5 minutes break of structure, what I'm gonna do is go back to my 1 hour again and look for entries. Now this is where I'll most likely be comfortable taking entries on British pound yen. No financial advice. And here it's gonna be my entry. Let me scale down to 30 minutes. Can't really see much. Now I think price is gonna come down to this place. And then our target is gonna be now I'm gonna be targeting this high, as much as it's gonna look crazy. This is a 1:31. I'm gonna be targeting this high because I don't really see any reason for this high to hold, because to me, my opinion, this was a retracement, a break of structure, continuation, and I would like to see an expansion in price. I'd like to see an expansion in price from here to the upside and to run these highs. So I'll be watching it closely, and if you have any questions, you can ask me, and if you have complaints or whatever, you can always put it down at the comment section. I appreciate you all, and I'll be doing my very best all the time to keep giving you amazing content filled with value, and I'm so grateful, and I'll see you all next time. So bye.